Visit employeemonitorsystem.com. Choose your package. Click on the pricing plan page. You will find 3 different packages. You can choose between yearly or monthly payment plans for all these packages. Choose a package which fit best for your business. Let's start with a free trial. To register with EMS, you will have to provide basic information like company name, email, password and confirm password. Now click the Submit button. After submitting this information, you will receive an email from EMS to verify your account. You can also click here to resend the verification email if you didn't receive it. Now go to your email inbox and open EMS verification email. To verify email, click at Verify button, and it will redirect you at EMS login page. Enter email, password and click the Login button to access your account. Congratulations! Now you have access to your EMS dashboard. If you have any difficulty to complete the registration process, please go to the employeemonitorsystem.com. Feel free to click at the Contact Us and send us the message. Our team will assist you promptly.